Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Goodnotes and navigating to the notebook page you'll use. Make sure your app is updated so sticky note features behave predictably. Next, select the area where the note will go. Using the lasso or shape tool now helps with precise placement later. Once done, tap the plus icon or insert menu to reveal annotation options. This gets you into the creation flow quickly and avoids repositioning hassles after you add the sticky note. Now create the sticky note by tapping the plus menu and choosing Sticky Note, or by inserting a text box for a comparable result. You can type or handwrite directly inside. Use the color picker to set background and adjust opacity so underlying content remains visible. Resize and rotate the note with pinch and twist gestures for perfect alignment. Make sure to lock its position if you don't want accidental moves. This keeps your annotations tidy as you continue working. Finish by arranging notes and grouping them with nearby objects if needed. Grouping or locking prevents accidental shifts while you scroll. Once satisfied, export or back up the notebook to save your layout externally. If a sticky note won't behave, won't stick, won't accept handwriting, or won't export, try restarting Goodnotes first and reinsert the note. Make sure the app has storage permission and is updated. If issues persist, duplicate the page and recreate the note there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.